And what is up, guys? Minecraft Man 3789 here with you guys again today. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make a redstone, well, not actually redstone, a slime block robot that shoots fire charges. That's it. So I'm going to show you a demonstration right now. So there you go. And the fire charges go really far, actually. I'll actually really go out far. See how far they're all going? Look at that. And the robot's all the way back there. Now, this is what I would do. I would make one of these for a survival battle, PV battle, particularly. And, yeah. So I'm actually gonna make another robot for you guys, so you guys can see how to make it. It's actually very simple when you get used to it. So I'm just gonna let that go, and I'm gonna build one right here. So for the feet, you can get any block of choice. That's not redstone or any of these kind of other blocks. But I'm choosing emerald because emerald is pretty sweet. So you're gonna make blocks like that. And if you guys need to pause the video while doing this, please do. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you're wondering if you can go any higher, you can. I think you can go only 2 more blocks higher than that for the legs, but that is it. So, alright, so you're going to want to go in the front still, and you're going to want to come over like this, and put a regular piston on like that, put some slime blocks, just like that, and then put a sticky piston facing this way. And it's not a regular piston, it's a sticky piston. Alright, so what you're going to do next is 1, 2, 1, 2, that way. Now it looks like a upside down L. What you're going to do is going to get an observer. You're going to come down about here on the front of the legs, actually. Yeah, the front of the legs. Come down about here. And when you hear that noise, that means it's good. And it's the little aiming part is aiming downwards, in which that is good. And you're going to see this little red dot up at the top here in a moment. So yeah, you take those off then. And then you're actually pretty much done. So then all you do is make the arms, just like so. Put an observer there, dispenser, and alright, slime block there, on top of the pistons. You want to get another observer, put it like that. Go over on this side to put the observer on. There we go. And I didn't want to make the clicking noise because it doesn't have to. Alright, then you're done actually. So then you can fill this up with anything such as arrows. I'm actually going to try the arrows because I've never tried the arrows yet. So let's actually try the arrows. For me, the fire charges are the best thing, but if there's like a giant mob of people, then maybe, yeah, the arrows are pretty cool, but I suggest to go with the fire charges, because that's a lot better. So alright, then what you're going to need to do, sorry guys, is get redstone blocks, and then put one right where the regular pistons are, so right there, against the slime block, and then there you go. And I don't know why this stopped, but I guess it just stopped because the piston got broke. So actually, the robot can't go too far, but it can go pretty far. I guess I already ran out of... Yeah, I already ran out of arrows in that one. That sucks. So then there. That's it then. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe on this video. And please tell me if you want to see the video where I can make a slime block / redstone plane that can drop TNT like the TNT will be ignited, but it can drop it and stuff, which is pretty cool. I bet it's gonna stop right about there. Oh nope, what happened? Oh, I just got caught on that, I guess, or something. Yeah, even this, if it breaks apart, it can still go, which is pretty cool. So it's like the one part gets hit by the tree. Well, doesn't matter now. The other part can just keep going. So I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So, alright. Peace, everybody.